today we're going to do a little bit more of a different video, and I'm going to be showing y'all how to make your MacBook Air, any Apple computer I think is 2018 up through the MacBook, so MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, how to make your wallpaper and settings all cute. So my TikTok, I'll put it right here so y'all can see it. I did put in that I was in 5th grade. I'm not sure if that was the right grade. I probably was in 7th or 8th. And the update I have is the Mac OS Sonoma public beta. So I'm not sure if this update is even out or if everyone who's doing this has the beta. But all my Apple electronics run on the beta version, which just means that I will get updates before others. But sometimes my phone, computer, iPad can crash out. But it's like the how you say this, early release trial of the new Apple features. Okay, so let's start the fun part. Okay, so right now you see my screen, and here is an overview of what it looks like after it's completely finished, and it turned out amazing. It is so cute. I have my photos in here, some quotes, I have a calendar and the time, more quotes and photos, and then I of course have the Crumbl cookie weekly menu, which is just a little fun thing I added. And then I have my Roblox gaming thing, and then I don't know what this is and I can't move it, but it's okay. And then my really cute wallpaper in the back. So let's start first with the wallpaper, which is probably the easiest thing ever. So for the wallpaper, you're just gonna go Safari, Google, doesn't matter, and you are gonna go into Pinterest. So when you're in Pinterest, you're just gonna type in the type of device you are using. So since we're talking about computer, we're gonna make our computer wallpaper cute. You're gonna type in MacBook Air wallpaper. The reason why you want to be specific on what device it's for, because if you do a phone, photo quality may not be as good as what it should look like on a computer, and so you want to make sure it's computer. Okay, so now you are just going to scroll down and find any photo you want or a photo that you like. Now let's say I want to pick, let's do this one. This one's really pretty. So I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to bring it all the way down to my desktop. Now make sure all the photos that you add are to your desktop and not usually to a file. You can do it through a file, but desktop is the easiest, most simplest way to do it. And I want to show y'all the easiest way to do this. So now that it's on your desktop, you're going to go to settings up here. You're just going to go all the way down until you see wallpaper. Okay, now once you get to wallpaper, you're going to press add photo and you're going to say choose photo. And then you are going to make sure you're on desktop right here. And you're just going to press on it and press choose. Now you see right here, there is the photo, and now it's my background. Then once you're done, if you want to move it, you can just put it into the trash. So that is now changing your background. Once you have your wallpaper figured out, it's kind of like your base. So now you have the background. Now we get to figure out what kind of quotes, pictures, calendars, clocks that you want to fit in here. So the first app that I downloaded is Flip Clock, and this is how I got the time in the calendar. And so you want to go to the App Store and you want to type in Flip Clock. Here is the app. It's the digital widget app. And then once you open the app and it's downloaded, you want to go over here to the setting icon and you want to press widget setting. Once you press that, you're going to slide this little thing over here, and so you get the bigger widgets. And so I did pay, I think it was around $2 to get the background to where it matches your wallpaper. But if you want to do the more affordable free one, you can make it all cute. I just did not have the time to do that. But you press customize and you can just kind of pick out your color. You want to do purple, gray, black. You can pick out the background. So then you're gonna exit out of that and you want to go over here to where it has the time and date, and you want to press this. You are going to be using this button a lot. Then you're going to scroll down here and you're press edit widget. This is how you get all the widgets to go on your home screen. Now you're going to type in Flip Clock, or you can scroll down. You're going to press it and then you're going to select the one that you made. So we're going to do popular. And once you add it, it's going to be over here, and all you have to do is drag it over and place it where you want it. I am going to remove this so it's not all cluttery, but if you want to remove it, all you have to do is double click it and press remove widget. Beautiful. So simple. You got step 1 done, which was the wallpaper. Now step 2, you got the flip clock. Now step 3, the photos. So if you were the person or still the person that had all the widgets on their phones with all the photos, you're definitely going to recognize this app, but it's called Crumbl Widget. This app is what I use for every single one of my quote photo widgets. Like, this is how you're going to make your widget customized to you. Let's say that. You want to download Crumbl Widget if you don't have it on your app store. And when you open it, it's going to look like this. Now this one's a little confusing, so bear with me. So you're going to scroll down all the way to it says photos, and you're going to scroll to where it says create your own photo widget. Now if you want other widgets, you can do these popular ones like where it says the date, time, calendar, whatever. But I only use the widget for photos and quotes because I thought it was more like me. And so once you get to here, this is where you get to pick what, if you want a photo, quote, whatever. So half of these photos are actually from Pinterest. So just like I did for the wallpaper, I'm gonna go on Pinterest, and all I did was just, I already had quotes that I liked that was on my board, so I just took them. But you can literally just search up quotes. Let's just say that. So here's a quote. So slow down, you're doing fine. Let's say I picked this one. I'm gonna drag it down to the desktop like we've been doing. If I can drag it down. There you go. Drag it down to the desktop, exit out Pinterest. Then I'm gonna press add photo. And right here, desktop, I'm gonna select the photo. And here's what the photo is gonna look like in every single size widget, which I love how they show you that. And once you're done, you're gonna press set widget. You scroll all the way to the bottom and say set as new widget. That's it. Now, you're gonna exit out. You can put the photo if you want back in the trash can. You're gonna go back to the date and time, little pull down, press edit widget, and you're gonna type in Crumbl Widgets. So let's say I want a small widget. So I would press a small one. I would add it. Then obviously this was not the quote I picked, which you're gonna notice. So that's why you're gonna press it and you're gonna press edit widget. Say you see that widget and you're like, that is not the widget I picked, which it wasn't. I did not pick that one. So you're gonna press edit Crumbl Widget. You're gonna press widget 1. And if you see, all of these are labeled, and you can also name them, but I did not do good on naming them. But I remember that that was the last widget I added. So I'm gonna scroll all the way to the bottom where it says widget 16. I'm gonna press it and press done. There's my quote. Then you just pull it and you can put it anywhere. Now let's say I have all these different sizes. So let's say you wanna change the size. So you're gonna double click and you're gonna press medium. You got large, and then you got extra large. And that is how you change the size. Now another thing is not all of these photos are from Pinterest. So let's say you want a photo from your phone or from your computer that you just love and it's more of a personal photo that is not on Pinterest. You're gonna go back to Crumbl Widgets, go back to photos and press create your own. And then you're gonna scroll all the way down to where it says photos. And here, I'm gonna blur some of these out, but here are all the personal photos. And you do the same thing where you click it, set widget, and you add it on. That is what I did for all of them. So y'all got step 1 done, which was wallpaper, step 2 done, which was the flip and calendar, and then you got all the widgets done, which is honestly the whole thing almost. But one thing, Crumbl cookie. Oh, love this one. Like, this is my favorite one. I love it. First, I don't know if you have to have the Crumbl cookie on your phone for it to be on here, but I do have the app on my phone. But all you have to do, step 4, Crumbl cookie, is you press the Wednesday, September 11th, that widget, and you just press it. Then you press edit widget, and you are gonna type in Crumbl. Then you just pick your size, same thing we did. Let's say I wanna do this medium one. Bring it on over. And it's literally gonna give you the weekly calendar. Oh, weekly menu for the Crumbl cookie. Like, and it has the photos. Like, that's amazing. And it changes. Oh, love this. And then if you want to remove it, double click, remove widget. That's it. That is it. That's all I did. So you can keep on adding widgets. You can make it anywhere. You can put it anywhere. You don't have to put it right here like I did. You can change it up, make it your own, make it all cute. And I would love, I don't even know, like, I wish like y'all could like, oh my gosh, wait, no. If y'all can, tag me, tag my TikTok, and I would love to see the widgets y'all make out of this because I think it's just so fun. It's so personal, and I'm so glad Apple came up with this update and came out with it because I am in love. But I hope that helped. I hope that shows y'all how to make your widget all cute. I hope I explained it well. If y'all have any questions, you can comment down below. I will answer them right away. But please tag me on TikTok because I would love to see y'all's wallpapers. And yeah, bye guys.